So little updates on our quails. So these are the older ones. Our basically first group of quails. They are living here in this chicken coop, waiting for their new enclosure we are just building, and I'm also making video about it. So for now they are pretty safe here. Not entirely safe, because we already had some rats here and also a python, unfortunately. So but it looks like we improved the safety in the chicken coop with the foam here along the roof line, and I really hope nothing bad happens until they have a really rats and mice and snakes proof area. For now they're feeling pretty well and look very happy here. Look at them. They are about 2 months old now. So I'm hoping for some eggs, but we didn't see any yet. So one of the reasons might be that some rats are still coming and getting the eggs. But so they're really cute animals and absolutely not shy. So you can see they come very close and interested in everything. Yes, you are. This one enjoying a bath in the straw. And we also have some little ones. This is the new group that just hatched 5 days ago. And look at them. I will open up and show you. I definitely want to have them in this smaller cage. Seb built inside the chicken coop for little chickens, little birds. And now comes really handy with the very tiny holes. And here are our little ones. 30 of them already getting feathers. And looking pretty happy. So the next step before they grow up, I hope we can move them into the new aviary or the new dedicated place for our quails. All very busy. And I have this little border here put temporarily here so they don't jump up down, because they're really funny birds. They're not shy at all. They just, when I open the door, they will just jump down. So yeah, this is our quails. This is our quails area. until we build a new one. And I hope you liked the little update about our new birds. And if you did, don't forget as usually to like and subscribe. I will update. Oh, and over there, just because we are here, we have some young guinea fowls. I will go over and show you. So this is the kindergarten number 2. We have the little guinea fowls, which will stay here until they little older, and then they will join the chickens in the chicken coop in the open area until they are adults and can join the other ones and free range and sleep on trees as the others do. And here they are, our adult guinea fowls. They are totally free ranging and sleeping on the largest trees here above the chicken coops. Alright, I hope you liked the little video. Let me know how are your projects going. Do you have any new hobbies like me with my with my quails? Here are our Muscovy ducks, also young ones. Living under the elderberry. Some of the chickens got a walk out today of their spaces of their chicken coops, so they can forage for some worms after the rain and get some feed on the grass and so on. So yeah, we had a beautiful rain, so they're all pretty happy. I think it's starting to rain now. I'm getting the first few drops again after one day without rain. So yeah, enough for today. Have a good weekend, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.